I know I cleared at least one of your...
God. Here's what I've...
There we go.
Good work. Here...
After I bought all that heavy cream, I mean, I guess that's fine. Sure, why not? And she wants the tea dress still, I think. Yeah, no, still don't have a tea dress. Maybe, oh, maybe I can make it now, though. Maybe that's what some of that stuff I need. Oh, that was a cool slide. Oh, also, I got more recipes, right?
What'll it be?
Let's look, frickin' ass. More dreadful. Oh, right. I know how to video games. Well, something rag. Dreadful rag. Don't let me forget. I definitely don't have some horrible ad hood. Dreadful rag. Barbados. Who the... No, now I gotta look up why? Let me just, like, go to that... I wish it would let you, like, open up their page from there. That would be cool. Oh, this fucker. Okay, I know. Okay, well, anyway, perfect.
It's good. What are we transmuting this time?
How about apple risotto? I love some risotto.
I'll go with this.
Actually, I don't remember. But it looks good.
Great.
Ooh, an apple juice.
I'll go with this.
Ooh, more empty.
Great.
Paste.
Yum. I'm up to 4 seconds. We'll be back because I gotta craft the stuff. Oh, this isn't the. This isn't even the portal. Okay, let's
So, what'll it be?
What about more double jump?
I'll go with this.
Sure.
I'll go with this.
All right, now that I know how to potions, interesting. Know how to actually find the stuff I'm looking for. I am. Oh, I wasted a bunch of dreadful rags upgrading that. Oh no, that's probably the first, because it uses other stuff for the first 3 levels. Okay. You want my shoes? Those are my shoes from the beginning of the game.
I'll go
Oh
with
yeah,
this.
you could have this. Eat it.
I'll go with this.
7 steel breastplates.
I'll go with this.
I need 1 more.
I'll go with this. I'll go with this.
Ooh, yes.
I'll go with this. I'll go with this. I'll go with this. I'll go with this.
Light. Okay,
I'll go
so
with
the
this.
birds drop it too. Yeah, sure. Have my
with
boots.
this.
I don't care. Kick, dagger. This is. Oh my god! It needs fucking band slaves. This is single-handed. I need a. Is there a great-handed expertise? Great-handed. That would be nice. I need 1 more steel breastplate. I wonder if I have what it takes to craft one. What the fuck is that from? That's probably from those bugs that dropped the red remembrance. That would make sense. Fiend heart. Okay, looks like I'm gonna be doing more farming off stream. Oh, what did I want a fairy wing for? There was something I wanted a fairy wing for. And it wasn't that. I remember it wasn't that. Steel. Oh, yes, I can make
I'll go
these.
with this.
Writing habits. That's fancy. Oh, that takes some of the stuff I just got. Silver Assassins, Knights, Cure AS. That's fancy. Silk dress. Oh, I can make this now. But I have. I'll make it anyway.
I'll go with this.
I can always decide. But I have the Valkyrie dress now, or whatever. Feather robe, dragon armor, gold, majestic. Bix Bite. Flame Mail Shinobi Garb. Yeah, I'd love to make a rusted ring. Make a new ring and then make it shitty. Regenerates. When did I get that? Because that would be amazing to max out. Is it? Oh, is it because I have the healing one? Did I just get it from that? Like how the Bloodbringer gave me a sword as well. That definitely didn't take me too long to realize. Nice. Okay, so I can get that permanent, and instead of worrying about upgrading the other shitty one.
Stop that.
Oh, I still need the beast milk.
I have some. What are you
She might
looking
have
to
more
buy?
stuff for me too. Can't I turn 4 potions into a high potion? Why is it more expensive? That's rude. It's all just the food I've made. I'm gonna sell it in as your own now. I see how it is. Push an independent restaurateurs out of business, huh, Dominique? Oh, that's the church's way. I'm just. Oh, I need to craft it first.
Is this right? Then we have a deal. Is there many thanks?
I'm buying those more to upgrade those things than I am to use. Go to bed. You seem very... Dun, dun, dun.
Thank you.
Still need... Oh, right. I can check. Zaggin? What the frick's the Zaggin? Zaggin. Oh, the bull. Okay. So I do need to farm them, just not the reason I thought. Okay, so plan. I'm gonna go to the barber. I'm gonna kill the guy there. Is it this one? I think it's this one. To get the dreadful rags I need. Oh, I don't think it's this one actually. Yeah, no, it's not this one. Maybe. Unless? I mean, it might be, but it's... Oh, this is where the barber is, yeah, but this isn't the room I was thinking of for whatever reason. Okay, so I need to find those archers. Aw, congratulations, Todd! I think it's this one? Ouch!
The look suits you.
Thanks, Todd. Okay, where... Oh, I think it was... Where did I fight Zangetsu? I think it was down here. Here maybe. Somewhere. There's a room with the archer that I remember I had to go past a lot. Oh, hey, thank you. Augment int. Let's go the other way. Sorry, pup. Hey, look at that cool rare sword. Anyway, bye. I never figured out this weird guy. What if I upside down? Aha, now you're looking at me weird. Stop it. Oh, I'll take a free treasure, I guess. Ow. I do kind of miss my spiked armor. No, it's... It's right next to a save room, I think. I am so confused. Maybe it's this. Maybe it's this room. Maybe it's this room. Let's. Hey, what are you doing up there? If nothing else, this is next to a portal. It is. This is okay. This is what I was thinking of. Yeah, these guys. There's Barbados. Okay, we just need a couple of rags. No, we don't need bullets. Don't need bullets. Thank you, thank you. Nope, still don't need bullets. There's a rag. Ooh, a little bit of hemp. A little bit of hemp. A little bit of hit points. Let's definitely get that sense out. Or there's okay. So let me get one more just so I have a little extra. Thank you, sword. Thank you. A little bit of hemp. Thank you, sword. Okay, okay, let's get out of here. Oh, well, this isn't even the way out. Okay, now we need a bowl, which, I think down over in this area are bowls. So I guess I'll just teleport. Sorry, dog. Oh. I forget if there's... Oh, shit. Okay, I can absolutely do that with this sword. I was just thinking, like, one thing I haven't really engaged in this game with much is the special attacks. Oh, I thought there was going to be a guy in here. Shit, is it east or west? That's pretty cool. Bark, bark, bark. I'm puppy. I'm puppy. Oh gosh. I wonder if these are like endgame. Where are all the bowls? Am I crazy? Did I forget where all the bowls are? The bowls? The bowls? Definitely not this way. Bop, 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 bop. Please watch Eve meander around the same areas of the castle for a while. Oh, I wonder, wait. I have to test something. Okay. I was wondering if I was immune to them because of the special armor. You know what? Let's go. Wouldn't it be cool if you had a big hand? That would be pretty sweet. Oh, this is the fairy room. Ah, gosh dang it. If someone has an... Oh shit, it's fine. Actually... No! It's fine. You make cute noises. If someone wants to tell me which way to go for bowls, I would not be upset. Because I am forgetting my bowls. Oh, this room! Okay. Here we go. It reminds me of the... Ooh, a movie. Now I can finally get this! A black belt. A belt worn by masters of the Eastern Master of the Martial Arts. Increases attack speed, strength, and con and defense. Holy shit. Well, that seems pretty good. Why is there a treasure down now? Actually, you know what? Oops, Oh, I wasn't even wearing it. I'm a goof. Okay, so there's like this treasure I could check, but it's all the way over there, and then it's back up there. And I don't remember where the carpenter's door is though, if I've even found it. I feel like at this point I haven't, because there isn't really anywhere else to go. Stop it. You know what? I'm lazy. I'm efficient. I'm efficient. Oh no! Ah! I went out there to farm the beast milk. Anyway, how's everyone doing tonight? Actually, is the other one closer? No, not really. Gosh dang it. Have a good night. Please enjoy your beast milk. Oh, heck. How did I forget about that so quickly? Found it. Okay, bye. Oh, because I got the treasure in here, and then I completely spaced it. One of these rooms is just a room with a bowl. I think it's this next one. Or oh no, maybe not. That's there it is. Beast beef! No, come on, give me the milk. Thank you. Let me milk you. Come on, I don't even remember how much I needed. But I would like more than one. There's two. Die. Welcome back to my Beast Milk ASMR video. This is hour 96. Who is Rene and why is he here? No! I just wanted to do a little milk. Oh. One more. We'll do one more. One more. Give me one good Milkies, thank you. Yeah, well... You know what, let me... Just, while we're here, just so I can see... Also, why did they have a cow? Oh, this is why there's the milking. Wait, I mean... yeah, I'm definitely not recording the stream as we speak, and it is definitely not going up on YouTube, by the way. Hi, YouTube. Hi, Mom. Hi, Vivi. Hi, everyone who watches. Why? How did I never get that one tile? I'm sorry for the disappointment I have caused. I still don't know what the deal with this is. Why does it show the crown there? I'm not gonna do the Easter egg. I just want to go through here. Pull into a cutscene there, maybe, yeah. Assassin's Ring, nice. Let's watch a TV. I promise I will come back and do that. Oh, Assassin's Rest. I'm just getting the whole assassin outfit, aren't I? What? I didn't have those. Okay. Well, now I'm glad I went here. Flying dagger. Ah, exciting. Oh. What if... Oh. Maybe that just means that's the boss, yeah. Oh well. Okay, wait, idea.
Invert! Invert!
Shit. Okay. Teps Oculus. Strawberries. Oh, I need more Thunderbird plumes, I think. Oh no, I need Flight of Feathers. Hey! I love this game. Thank you for rewarding me for my dumb bullshit. Okay, off the train we go. What? 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 Is this because I'm wearing the crown? What? Okay, bye, horsey. Live your best life. Oh, what? This is the two crowns kingdom. Okay, it has to be because of I have the crown, right? This is Vivi and I streamed this game together. Holy shit! This is cool as fuck. What? Familiar archer. What? That's so cool. Come on, buddy. It's from the game. This game rules. This is so good. Why would they have a crossover with that? Hidden like that too. That's I don't get it, but I love it. What is going on? What is going on? All right, we're just gonna waste them again. Okay, now I can make tea dress and my dang Sensa is gone, right? Breast milk. I can use the breast milk.
So, what'll it be?
Hey, Atomic Tangerine! It's pretty good. Just find some really surprising secrets.
I'll go with this.
Promise.
Oops.
Hi. So, what'll it be?
Oh, actually, I guess I could check this. I should try out, see what that. Oh, yes, yes,
I'll go
yes.
with this. I'll go with this.
There, all done.
I'll go
Oh,
with this.
sure. Now that we don't need the rags anymore, I say, and then I'll need them. I should. Where do you get orichalcum? I want to max out my Bloodbringer. Also, I still don't remember what I wanted the dang fairy wings for. Oh, right. Where's the healing? Where's the healing? Am I insane? Oh, right. I have to make it first. I have to make it first. Regenerate. That's what I wanted it for.
I'll go with this.
I'm a genius. Okay. Well, now.
I'll go
Hey.
with this. I'll go 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 with this.
EX potion. Excuse me? Classic spaghetti. Okay, first I need to make the gosh dang macaroni shit she wants. Strawberry. Oh. Wait, sorry. I mean. Oh. I need white sauce. Gosh dang it. Oh right. How do I make the white sauce? Ah, that's why I need the beast milk.
I'll go with this. Great.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna need a lot of that. Oh, I need more
I'll
flour.
go with this.
I'm glad I farmed a fair bit of
Great.
it though. Okay.
I'll go with this. Great.
HP, strength, and mind. Sea urchin pasta. Strawberry a lot. I don't remember how to say that. Mac and cheese?
Great.
Oh, Oh no, here it is.
I'll go with this.
Gabon.
Great.
Now I can buy them again if I need them at least. Hey, I found your gosh dang food.
Did you bring?
Probably.
That's it. Holy. You're welcome.
A kukri?
Is there any? Yes. I'll help you.
Baked in all shapes and sizes. Ooh, more hair, more hair.
I.
Oh, cookies! Cookies!
I
have cookies. I
What
can
are
buy
you looking to
cookies.
buy?
Give me cookies. Oh, I need way more flour.
Is that then we have a deal? Is many thanks. Is then
Let's
we
just-
have a deal?
let's just buy a bunch of everything.
Is this then we have a? Is that many thanks?
Everything that I know
Then we have a deal.
that seems like it
Is
gets used
thank you.
often.
Is then we have a deal? Is then we have a deal? Is that then we have a deal?
Okay, okay. Wait, oh, can I just... Oh, I can't buy... Oh, I can't buy the, Oh, no, here it is. Here we go. I was like, I thought I could buy the food that I made. What was it? Or macaroni. Here we go. I need one of these.
Is this right? Can I help you with
Don't
something
miss
else?
the crispy bottom.
Is this right? Thank you. Thank you.
Wait, did I not buy cookies?
Did you?
Am I in...
What are you looking to buy?
I already forgot. Also, I should buy some holy waters.
Is then we have a deal?
Because those are, And I need more waste
Is
stones.
thank you.
Woohoo, there goes all my money. Cookies, cookies, cookies,
Is
cookies.
then we have a deal? Thank.
Here you go! Finally! Oh, there we go.
That's it. Oh, it's. You're well.
Hair,
Is there
apparent
anything else you-
4.
Yes. I'll.
She says it's delicious on its own, but even better with meat or vegetables. A birdish. Is that curry? Is that just curry? Blom.
Scrumptious.
Blom.
Scrumptious.
Blom.
Scrumptious.
Scrumptious. I know I've made
Mine?
curry.
What are you looking to buy?
It's weird that it's under the recovery. Like, I get it. Oh, curry and rice.
Is this
Okay.
thank you? Thank.
So is Dominique oh gosh dang it.
Mine?
Leave me alone.
Thank.
Is Dominique making all these stuff? Like, I made it the first time, so now she can sell it. Gosh, no, stop it. I'm
Did
I'm
you-
ah.
That's it.
Yeah, it's just ingredients, the other one.
You're well.
Birdish.
Is there? Yes. I'll.
The dish sandwich is wrapped in yellow and tricky to prepare. An omelet? A tamale?
I suppose.
Oh, an omelet. Yeah.
Mine? What are you looking to buy?
Omu
Is
rice.
this when we have a deal? Thank.
God, that sounds so good. Just rice and omelet. Rice and eggs, basically.
That's. Oh, it.
This
You're welcome.
this old lady puts it away. Holy shit.
Yeah. I'll.
A rolled up treat. Something red and white. Oh, a feather robe. That's actually something I don't have.
suppo-
Oh, is it a strawberry crepe?
Mine?
I don't think I've done
What are you looking to
those.
buy?
Yeah, no dice.
What are you looking to buy? Thank.
It's good. What are we transmuting this time?
It's called cooking, you dork. Oh, I can make dark matter. Rat tail, toad eye, witch's tears, fell leaf. Okay, so that's good at least. Oh, that's more luck. So I just need cookies. Oh, strawberry crepe. Oh, I need strawberries. That makes sense. I need a lot of strawberries. I gotta go farm strombomblies. Can I make crepe dough? You need dragon eggs? I gotta go find farm dragons?
I'll go with this.
Ah, heck. What am I missing for the spaghetti
Great.
now? Nectar? Ooh. Ambrosia? The libation of the gods! This is just wine. You don't grants immortality and stabs off wrinkles.
I'll go with this.
These dorks.
Great.
Hang on, I need. Oh, right. I don't remember if I can buy soy sauce or not. Okay, I need more flying beef. Forest flight. Oh, I'm out of pasta. That's why. So. Pasta, black pepper. Pasta, black pepper. Soy sauce. Pasta, black pepper, soy sauce. Can I make pasta, black pepper, soy sauce?
I'll go with
I'll
this.
just make one of these.
I'll go with this.
I should just made two, it's fine.
Great.
Pasta, black. No, I can't. Wait, no, but now I can. Oh my
It's good.
gosh.
So, what'll it be?
Classic
I'll go with
spaghetti.
this.
A crepe sounds so good.
Great.
Promise.
Boom.
Scrumptious.
Boom.
Scrumptious.
Boom.
Scrumptious.
Holy crap, I'm up to 7 mana a second.